As of now, we have seen that we have taken 50 to the other plant. Let me go to MMBE stock overview. So same material, execute. You can see it has got reduced by 50, but you are able to see only plant 1 and storage location 1 here. Right? Observe, we have only plant 1 and storage location 1. Isn't it? Earlier it was 251. Now it has reduced to 151.600. So it has reduced by 50. But where is that 50? It has reduced. The stock level has reduced, but it is not reflecting. Now for that, what we need to do, to come back. Are you able to see this MMBE?
Yes, sir.
Screen visible MMBE? Are you all in that screen? Yeah. Now you see plant YIBP 2 I have there, and here you can observe yellow color multiple selection, arrow mark, and below that arrow mark you have a small box which is white in color. Actually it is the shadow. You can closely observe, we have shadow of that arrow mark also. So what we'll do, we'll extend the view YIB2. I'll take it YIB2, then click on this. Just a minute, it's not ready. Well, I am extending this. Both the plants I'm taking multiple selection. I'll enter 1 here. I want to select both the values. Select single value 1. Observe. I'll proceed with this. You can see green color here. Can you see that? Earlier it wasn't there. Now you are able to see the green color. I'll execute this. Can you observe now? Full stock 201, YIB2 it is 50, and YIBP it is 151. Getting this?
Yes, sir.
So you can see both the plants and storage locations under the company code, which was not visible earlier. So this gives the entire stock now 201.600. Actually, we have done some conversion of units because of which it is appearing like this. We have used same material. I think you can just create a different material and try. So you get this. You will have to do multiple selection in the views here. I'll just repeat it for storage location also. By now it's already appearing there. YBS 2. So it's already appearing. If it doesn't appear, you will have to do it. By plant, it has already by default taken and it is appearing here. So this is about transferring from plant to plant. Also, how are we going to provide information about storage location to storage location with single step? You can just try this with multi-step. Instead of 301, use 303, 305. Now I would like to demonstrate one more. Okay, I'll go to MB1B. MB1B. Can you tell me any other material apart from that? 301 plant storage location remaining same. Any other material? Any other material from plant 1?
Sir, 715, sir, 700,
Ah.
702,
715. Okay, consignment. Yeah, just observe this. I'll take 10 here. See how system reacts. What does the system say?
Not maintained.
not maintained in YIB2.
Again, this is error which will be escalated. So what has to be done to this?
Material to be extended to plant,
Yes.
this plant.
So this is the error you get if you don't extend and try doing. This is the error that you are going to get.
Okay, sir.
I'll come back. I use 303 now. Receiving plant is YIB2. Storage location YBS2. I'll use same material because we have maintained it. Another 10 I'll take. I'll enter. Save it. Now MMBE stock overview. Okay, I'll just take multiple selection instead of this. B2. I'll go with both. YIBP. I'll execute this.
Both plants was same.
Yeah, earlier both plants were shown. Now it is showing only one plant. I'll come back.
No, sir, you have entered only one plant at
You
both
enter
sides.
only one plant to both sides.
Yeah. I'll come back. I'll just interchange.
Sir, again same, sir, YIB to both sides,
It
sir.
is no, it is reading now. You can observe now under YIBP, it became 40 and stock in transport it is 10. Can you see that? Are you able to observe this difference?
Yes, sir.
Two-step procedure. Hope you are able to observe that. Again, I'll go back to MB1B. I use 305. Actually, it is getting more from plant B or plant 2. Same material, same quantity. Save. Document is posted. MMBE, same material, YIBP, now you can see it has come back. Stock in transport is reduced, rather it disappeared. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Getting?
It came to YIB2 only, sir.
Yeah, I just maintained same because while creating it, I taken same plant. You can just try with the other plant, it will move. While doing this document, by default, it has taken the recent plant that I have created, that is second plant. You can observe that MB1B. See, plant and storage location, it had taken same. I just went with this, due to which it is showing same plant. You can just try with the different plant. Try this. I would like to end it here for today. Next session, we'll have some more discussion about this STO. Further, we'll move into the remaining topics. Okay, will you try this? I'll send you the recordings. You can just look in.
Okay, sir.
Fine then.